Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the PW app and signing in. Make sure your account and subscription are active. Once done, update the app if prompted and enable notifications so class alerts arrive. Next, go straight to the Live tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where live classes congregate. From here, tap the search icon and enter keywords or instructor names. Doing these first steps ensures you're looking at current, accessible sessions rather than cached or outdated listings. Now refine the results using filters. Pick category, skill level, date range, and language to narrow choices. Once you find candidates, open each class preview to read the syllabus, view the instructor bio, and note attendee limits and exact start time. Make sure to sync the class to your calendar and set a reminder for 5 to 10 minutes before start. Before the live session, perform a quick test, join, or preview if available so you confirm audio, video, and permissions work on your device. At the scheduled time, tap Join and allow any permission prompts. Verify mic and camera settings and choose speaker or headphone output. Once inside, engage using chat, raise hand, Q&A, or reactions. This helps you learn and get instructor attention. If you miss the stream or see buffering, first try restarting the app, switching from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa, and clearing the app cache. These often restore the feed. If problems persist, contact PW support with your device model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.